Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're driving into Kingston. We just left Spanish Town, so we're going on to, well, we are on Mandela Highway now. This is the overpass bridge, because underneath is where the cars drive to enter the north-south highway. So this is like an overpass bridge, but this is Mandela Highway. So when you're driving from Spanish Town into Kingston, this is the road you would use unless you go on the highway. Now, coming up on the right is a turn off to go to Portmore. So, let's talk about the population in Jamaica now. Kingston and St. Andrew has the largest population. Now, outside of Kingston and St. Andrew, Spanish Town has the largest population. And outside of Spanish, and then after Spanish Town is Portmore. So, to get to Kingston, you're going to pass. You're coming from Spanish Town, which has about 145,000 people. That's just an estimate. It changes every year. Portmore has about another 100,000 people. So right away, Kingston, the capital, the main city, you have the Spanish Town persons going in, you have the Portmore persons going in, and you have the persons coming in from the south coast and the north coast on the highway going in, and they all would use this road, Mandela Highway. Now I'm all for, this is a very important road in Jamaica. I'm sure every Jamaican has driven on it. Well, if you're going into Kingston, definitely. So we need to ask a question now. Why is this road named after a non-Jamaican? Now, don't get me wrong. The road is named after Nelson Mandela, the former Prime Minister of South Africa. Mandela Highway, Nelson Mandela. But I'm not, what he did was great. We're not knocking what he did. Name a road after him in Jamaica, no problem. But I'm just thinking the busiest road in Jamaica, and also one of the nicest roads, should be named after a Jamaican. We could name another road after Nelson Mandela. So I'm not sure what you guys think about that. Leave a comment in the section below. I mean, this could easily be the Andrew Holness Highway, or there's already a PJ Patterson Highway, but this could be the Portia Simpson Miller Highway, because it's so important to Jamaica. It's the busiest road in Jamaica, and it's very important. It takes you into and out of Kingston. So 75%. Or maybe 90% of Jamaicans would use this road to go into or out of Kingston. You wouldn't use this road if you're coming from the St. Mary Head. So I'm wondering, why not name this road after a Jamaican? And they did the same thing with the Ian Fleming International Airport in Boscobel. Why couldn't that be the Bob Marley International Airport? And there is no way anybody can say Ian Fleming is more popular than Bob Marley, because I don't think so. Bob Marley is known all around the world, and when you hear the name Bob Marley, you're going to think of reggae. When you think of reggae, you automatically think of Jamaica. So we need to seriously think about how we name these roads and airports, because I'm not sure it's being done properly, or those two locations, the airport and this road, should be named after Jamaicans. Doesn't have to be a national hero, it could be a prime minister. But let's look at the other two airports in Jamaica now. Sangster International Airport is the largest airport in Jamaica, named after a national hero. Norman Manley International Airport, second most used airport and the second largest in Jamaica, named after a national hero. So you would think the third international airport would also be named after a national hero. And after we go through all the names on the national hero list, and you move on to a prime minister or another name. So I don't remember the process of how that airport was named. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. But I'm just dumbfounded. I mean, not dumbfounded, but I think that airport should be named after a national hero or somebody as popular as Bob Marley. Now, I remember hearing the reason why they use the name Ian Fleming is because people would remember that name, blah, 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 the international this. But I don't know if there's a country in the world you can go to and people don't know the name Bob Marley. And the persons who visit Jamaica the most are from the USA, Canada, England. And every Bob Marley is very popular in those countries. So I really don't know. I'm really disappointed in the naming of that airport. And I know it can be changed. I just don't know if they'll change it. Now, that road we just came off of, it's a very nice road. I would call it a super highway, just for argument's sake. That road needs to be named after a Jamaican national hero or prime minister. And we can name another road after Nelson Mandela. Everybody appreciated what he did, but he's not Jamaican. And he shouldn't, the busiest road in Jamaica should not be named after a non-Jamaican. So leave a comment in the section below and let me know what you guys think about the name of the Ian Fleming International Airport and the name of Mandela Highway. Now, the northwest leg of Highway 2000 was renamed the Edward Seaga Highway. The east-west leg was named the PJ Patterson Highway. We don't have, those are two former prime ministers, excellent job. Nobody is questioning that. There are so many other prime ministers that don't have a road named after them. Or not a road, a highway. And one of these major highways that connect Jamaica from parish to parish. So I think you have so many other prime ministers who have so many national heroes, like Nanny. There is no highway named after her. I don't know. But we need a system put in, and it should be very straightforward so everybody knows. Okay, the next highway to be built, which is the Southern Coastal Highway, is going to be named after this prime minister. The next airport to be built will be named after this national hero. So you have a list. So you can just go through the list, and the next name on the list would be the name the next highway is named after. Because we're always expanding, and you're going to have these names. So every prime minister should have a major highway named after them. Not a road, a highway. And back in the day, like, you had the Bustamante Highway named after the national hero. But that road is not, how would you say, it's not a highway as to what we have now. It was named years ago, before these super highways were being built. So, okay, but other prime ministers don't have any major road named after them. So it's something that we need to look at. So you guys, let me know what you think. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.